We are now ready to see how we can show a dialog when the user fails to sign in with email and password. So here I have opened the email signing form and I can scroll down to the submit method that we use to sign in. And in the catch block, we can detect if an error has occurred. So this is a good place to show a dialog. And to do this, we are going to call a function called showDialog. This is a function that takes two parameters, where the first one is a context. So here we can just type in context and pass in the context from our stateful widget. And the second parameter is a builder. This is a closure which has a context as an input parameter and needs to return a widget. By the way, we have encountered this builder pattern before when we have introduced a stream builder in our landing page. And as we will see, the builder pattern is used extensively in Flutter. Okay, so now that we are calling showDialog, we need to return something inside our builder. So here I'm going to type in return and then alert dialog. Now this is a widget that takes a number of parameters, and here I'm interested in the following. I'm going to pass in a title, and this is a widget, so I can just type text, and inside here I can say sign in failed, like this. And the next parameter that I want to use is called content, like this. This is also a widget, and here I'm going to use a text, and this time I'm going to use the error that comes from the catch block. So here I'm going to say e.toString, like this. Finally, I can specify a list of action, which is normally just a list of buttons that the user can tap to interact with the dialog. So here I can type in actions, which is a list. And then inside here, I'm going to put a flat button. And inside, I'm going to have a child. And I can type in text with the text OK inside it. And then it takes an onPressed callback. And for now, I'm just going to leave this empty, like this. Okay, so now that we have created a basic alert dialog, we can take it for a ride. So I can hot reload, and then I can press on the sign in button again on the emulator. And we can see that a dialog appears with our title, the error message that comes from Firebase, and an OK button. If we press on the OK button, then nothing happens, and this is because our onPress callback is currently empty. So we need to learn how we can dismiss our dialog, and we'll do that in the next video.